name's Lachlan, and I'm showing you to do Minecraft Lego set. This is the farm, and it has a lot of features in it. Got some cows. We're talking as well. Got this. This is Steve looking at the skeleton behind this Lego Minecraft. Yeah, and I got a farm. And this bread in here. Nice bread. Very nice bread actually. Bacon. Yeah. This nice water fountain. Is it? Sugar cane. I got it at the farm. Sheep, cows. Got that as well. Oh, look over there, it's pumpkin. Pumpkin. Yeah. Look at that pumpkin. Very nice pumpkin. We look at this for a few seconds. Look at the pumpkin. They're very good. Let me see if I get this on. Double heads. Put it back. Yeah, that's all I got to show you guys. That's my first Minecraft video. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.